Guys, today we will explore the local history in the northern Somalia. This video will change how you see northern Somalia, so stay until the end of the video. This is one of the bases of Somaliland before they were removed this environment. This was part of the Azanam defenses. Here, like they are braces.
In the eastern part of Las Anos city, in the hills, fighting took place in 2023 between SSC forces and the SNM militia that had been pushed out of this area.
In 2023, the regions of South Sudan faced a lot of conflicts and wars between Somaliland state and the SSC Khartoum. If I tell you about so many events that happened here, on Friday, August 25, 2023, SSC forces captured more than 500 prisoners of war from Somaliland, including military commanders and soldiers. This made happen in a lot of wars. Finally, Somaliland administration was removed these environments and these regions and directly operated SSC forces, and that administration called SSC Khartoum.
The first administration here was called SSC Khartoum. On July 30, 2025, it was renamed Northeast State and was recognized by the federal government of Somalia.
There were many fights here between Israeli militia and Northeast State military.
The ground is scattered with spent bullets casing from the time when fighting took place here. These remains are clear evidence that intense battles occurred in this area. Las Anos is a historic capital rich in Somali history and is widely known as the City of Unity. What caused the 2023 conflict between the SNM militia and the SSC forces, who represent the local population? The conflict began when SNM secessionist militias operating under the Somaliland administration attempted to impose control over this area by force and to suppress anything connected to the Somali nation. This agenda was rejected by the SSC forces, who are from these regions. They resisted, fought back, ultimately expelled the SNM militias from their homeland. Wherever you look, the Somali flag is visible. This is clear evidence. There are no secessionists here. This land is widely known as a symbol of Somali unity.
Guys, all northern Somalia is not part of Somaliland. There is an administration called Northeast, which is directly under the federal government of Somalia. Guys, if you come here, you will discover rich history about this environment, and every war is happening here. The northern Somalia is two regions, northeast region and northwest region. The northeast region operates northeast state to directly under the federal government of Somalia. And northwest region is Somaliland. There is a conflict between Somaliland state and the federal government of Somalia. Despite recent conflicts, Las Anod is now a peaceful and stable capital city full of life and social development. The capital of Las Anod is well known, the city of the view. If you come, the mountains surround the city like this mountain. You see dazzling view in the city.
The region is of Soul Senag, along with part of Togdel region, are administered by the Northeast State of Somalia. The situation in the area is now stable and the region is welcoming visitors from different countries as well as Somali business people who are investing in the area.
The northeast state shares borders with Puntland and Somaliland states. To the east it borders Puntland and to the west it borders Somaliland. The northeastern regions of Somalia are among the safest areas in the country. What sets them apart from other regions is a united community that takes responsibility for its own security and works closely with the security forces. In conclusion, the history of northern Somalia is a history of resilience, unity and struggle. Despite years of conflict and challenges, the people of this region have preserved their identity, protected their land,
and continued to strive for peace and stability. Understanding this history is essential to understanding the present and shaping a better future. Really, I appreciate your watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.